What up, my name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Alright, so in this episode we'll be learning a top rock step that I like to call the reset, launch, kick, and twist. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so for this episode, you will need to understand how to do your basic kick and twist. So if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous video I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so for this variation of the kick and twist, all I'm really going to be adding is a reset to step back, and I'm going to launch off that foot to create more of a height with my kick and twist, and also a little bit more explosive movement with my kick and twist. Okay, so I'm going to turn this side so you can see this a little bit better. So I'm going to do my normal kick and twist. So we'll start with my left. So I'm going kick and twist. From here, this is where our reset's going to come in. Okay, so instead of just jumping back to go to the other side, as I'm crossed here, I'm going to step back to my left, and then as I step forward, I'm going to use this to punch me into the air. Okay, so I'm using the step back, I'm going to punch into the air, and then I'm going to land into my other kick and twist on the other side. So just this side, I'm going kick and twist, step, launch. So it's very left leg heavy for sure when I'm stepping back. So I'm using this almost to ricochet off this wall, and I'm using this punch with my left to really lift me up into the air. So I'm not really using my right leg to jump, I'm really using that left leg, and my right leg just coming up to create a little bit more of that accentuated kick and twist. Okay, so let's just try our left again. So 6, 7, 8, this goes kick and twist, back, launch, and then you're over on the other side. So once you're over on the other side, so I just launched in the air. That first kick is my very first kick of the kick and twist. So I'm going kick and twist, and then I'm repeating it on the other side. So again, now it's right leg heavy, right leg sits back, and then my right leg's gonna punch me into the air, and my left leg's gonna come up and kick. Okay, so let's try it on this side. So 6, 7, 8, this goes kick and twist, back, punch, kick. All right, so let's try going back and forth. I'll face the front now so you can see it from different angles. So starting with my left, I'm going kick and twist, step, back, launch, kick and twist, back, launch again, kick and twist, back, launch, kick and twist, back, launch, kick. Alright, so for counts for this one, I'm really just keeping my same technique for the kick and twist, so 1 and 2. For the reset and launch, I'm really just using whole counts, step, go. So 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. So let's try going back and forth. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Alright, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, left leg first, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways for this one, I'm really just using that reset to really prep that launch into the air, just to create a little bit more height for my kick and twist, and also a bigger dynamic. And also, whatever leg is stepping back, that is your punching leg, so you want to use that to punch off the ground and not use the other leg to jump off the ground. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video, make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you props and shout outs and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also let me know down in the comments what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!